Good morning, good morning. It's time to say good morning to you. Just waking up? Just waking up from your nap? It's about 8:30, 9 o'clock. July 2nd. Say happy anniversary, Grandma and Grandpa. Say happy anniversary. Look at her hair. Her hair. Straight up. Kelsey. And then here's Kateri, getting ready to take a nap. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Happy anniversary. Say hi. Oh, yes. Say hi. Here's your binkies. The binkies. They ate some cereal this morning. A little bit. And then here's me. Hi, Mom and Dad. Hi. Hope I got myself. Look at Kelsey's big feet. Look at those big old feet. Almost big as Mom's feet. What? Say something. Say something. Say hi. Say hi. Don't be shy. Uh-oh. I better make him some food. See ya.